Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alex. I'm here for the lead. Thank you for your time to be here and giving us the chance to have associated to just discuss what is cloud, why cloud, it's necessary for us, and how cloud can change our life, and change our society, and change our whole country. So actually, before we start the session, I would like to give some points about us, Huawei, or me, and about our team. So Huawei is ICT infrastructure vendor since 1978, and we are starting our journey in Bangladesh since 1999. So now is our almost 23 years journey in Bangladesh. So during the past years, we have participated and witnessed all digital transformation in Bangladesh in every industry, including government, finance, energy, education, and all the other private sectors and manufacturers. And we see it, and we also participated. During the last session, especially the telecommunication, we are helping the carriers building the networks from 2G, 3G, and 4G, and now coming to the 5G. And we are the number one leading technology for 5G in the world. And we are keeping helping the Bangladesh telecommunication operators to provide that network for all our users, all the Bangladesh people. And at the same time, we are also participating in the digital transformation for the government. Since infrastructure phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, we built the nationwide network for the whole country, from the city to the union levels. And that starts from 2018, we're actually helping Bangladesh government building the first e-government cloud. With that cloud, is now helping 34 ministries and around 110 applications is now running on that government cloud, helping the digital government, e-government, and all the processes. And then that, during the pandemic, the vaccine registration apps is running on the public cloud. So we actually, during the past 23 years, we are deeply involved and participate in the digital transformation of Bangladesh, societies, governments, and institutions. At the same time, we are doing a lot of CSR programs. We're helping, we have a regular program that called Seeds for Future. Every year, we are selecting the outstanding students from different universities to participate in ICT competitions. And we are building an ICT academy in the Boots. And now, these years, we're expanding to other universities. And now also, we are starting a sales elite program. That is, we are selecting different internships from different universities to participate in our daily operation in the sales, management, solution, all these kind of activities to build the real skill when they are stepping into the society and start a career. So we are actually really happy trying to help the country by our technology, by our efforts. So today is also an open session to discuss with you guys about what we can do and what is happening in this country and in industries. So we always believe in one word, that is in Bangladesh, for Bangladesh. We will do it and carry on it. Thank you.
Because I was not getting a job. Okay? I try to specialize in different fields, and I want my country's people to be on global, what is called, competition market. That's why we are here with Huawei to present technology and skill that is demand in the market. So you see what I tried to establish myself in the bottom. I tried all the things. From working to cabling to the Wi-Fi, whatever we say, I tried myself to establish workers. I went there and I stayed there for more than 6 years. I worked for US government, I worked for Microsoft, I worked for Japanese company, I worked for US power as a foreign international company. I call him not sir, I call him Alex. Okay? This is the British and US difference. Everything each other. So in Bangladesh we all call sir, sir, we don't call professor or when the police what you say, hey officer, what you mean? I got 3 times in USA. I will tell the story, okay? I want to tell now, before I start jumping to the technical thing, I want to talk about some movies. I learned whatever I have learned from sci-fi movies and cartoons. Nowadays the cartoons come from different countries. My time, my age, that was coming from different countries. Satellite transmission. Okay. Also, there is no John Quest, there is no SWAT cast, there is no whatever. Tell me something. No, you don't know what I know. Okay. So I'm talking about. You have seen movie The Top Gun? Have been? That's good. Tom Cruise. Okay. Why I'm telling you about Tom Cruise, Maverick, and I will talk about Matrix. You have seen this movie, right? And what else I would add? There's called Player Number One Ready. There's still person movie. The virtual reality. So in last Fitr, I don't read the newspaper. All of a sudden I found an article and I was astonished. Oh my God, how come a journalist knows about technology? He was really great. Okay, let me tell the story. There is now technology, keywords. There's no metaverse. There's no NFT. There is another thing, blockchain. And what else is coming? Can you tell me anyone? Okay, and Bitcoin. And he said, okay, brother, I have to talk to my friend in USA and for the economy, okay? And he got the virtual class and had the metaverse. He had an avatar and best avatar to present himself. And his friend got, and they put the culture, okay, what do you say? Or hug, okay? And after hugging, what happened? His next was his uncle for the salami. What was the payment? That was the Bitcoin, okay? Oh, what a great, right? And after that, after getting the Bitcoin, one of his auntie was asking his husband, I have to present or discuss with my colleagues or my relatives. I need a good avatar. Give me the money. I want to buy avatar like something like blah blah. Okay? And he got expensive avatar and he did eat Morocco, whatever you say. And then they paid the Bitcoin and oh my God. Is it cloud? No. You can do anything. You can imagine anything. That's called cloud. Okay? Anything. That's a service you can imagine. So world is moving towards cloud rather than the localized data center or own campus data center. Another thing, nobody you have, in my experience, last 500 interviewed people never went to the computer lab. They don't know. How come? I have stored all the balls from the past. Okay? There is maintenance thing. Data center, you have to maintain your laboratory, you have to maintain data center. So, you have to be on your maintenance. It's like every 4 years you have to buy new technology, new hardware. Why? Because software is changing. You have to have more RAM or more capacity, more technology, and software development is changing. So, you have to change your hardware. So every time you're buying hardware, maintaining server room, maintenance people, AC, electricity, all this maintenance is really cumbersome. They don't have any office campus because space is expensive, like having a accommodation place, those things. All the office having just a name, a room, a postal address, a phone number, that is called virtual office, okay? And all people work from home. That is called remote. This came from USA. Okay? It's tradition. Because of there is lots of reasons. Whether most of the reasons people are working from home. So virtual world and work from home, we have learned from the pandemic that this is really necessary. And the best part is you can work from home to any country. Server, what else I can imagine, like video conferencing, all these things you are using consuming service, right? In 2007, mobile internet, then traffic, and in 2015, it's called industrial internet. Those are covered. Now it's covering the industry data, smart logic, new infrastructure, internet of things, and smart manufacturing. This is now the target for revolution. Okay, why you move to the cloud? That is the second part. 5G, artificial intelligence, and IoT. These are all linked together. Edward Snowden, he said why the COVID came. I don't know. He said it's news because to take the cloud, 5G, and all the things. Maybe I don't know. So this is the fight, the hype. Leading is to develop technology and innovation. Okay, let's come to the Huawei. As I told you, there is a division: platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and business service. You have to know what is the application in demand in the market. Maybe you are business people, maybe you are computer guy, but you have to know some tools like communication, email, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and call ERP, SAP, HANA, Sage. There's lots of application. CCTV is divided according to the category. Okay, you have to know this all application. If you are a SAP specialist, you will get high-paid job with Chevron, any Chevron. This is the only application is customized and the template is designed for them. You know the template. So this is ERP solution, accounting anywhere from your house, from your university, from the store, grocery store. You need an accountant for basic requirement, not for the other as a title accountant. Game is changing, and nowadays out of 500 nobody plays game, even in the mobile, in this traffic jam. Okay. Why cloud? So if I want to have a data scientist, maybe in this university, I need all these applications. All these applications I need. Can you have the license for the software? Can you afford this hardware? It's not possible. It's expensive. You have to move to the cloud. You have to think about the performance. And they have 4 things like auto scaling, we have provisioning, computing performance, disk performance, and internet performance. Try one. Take a free account. Every cloud provider has a free account, and you can try. Okay? And Huawei has 3 strengths. One is AI and data and the application Roma. This is the beauty other than any cloud. They have 3 tools for development. AI is faster compared to any company with the performance. That is called Ancient. Ancient processor they have built, and that is in the cloud, not in the market. Those days are over. You have to build the PC, you have to design the code, and you have to publish the code. All this part is called dev and ops. You have to know these 2 parts, development and operation. When security comes, it's called DevOps. Why this environment came? For if I work in Microsoft, I'm developing. For any test, I have to have a server. That takes how much time? More than 24 hours or a day. But in cloud, it will take a matter of 3 seconds or 5 seconds. To build the server, build the environment, and stage the coding, and anything. It's a matter of 5 seconds or 10 seconds. That's what the cloud. People is rush doing for the shopping, whatever they just kill each other or what is called stepping on each other to get the largest TV, the diamond ring, sapphire, solitude. There, which is $7,000, that you get $2,000, okay, or $1,000 on Black Friday. So imagine what is being, what are we doing in Facebook, sharing picture, museum, those things. Those are not acceptable to me. Anyway, there is digging data. There to understand the consumer behavior. What is called your psychology. When I get the job in US government, they gave me 100 questions. I have to apply in 30 minutes. rapid fire game, okay? It's a psychological test. If you answer quick, that will be the true answer. They tested my psychology, they tested my background, and they paid me, okay? And Amazon, what they did, they consume their behavior. They find out what type of, suppose this is the room you want to sell. You will get all the groceries, all the electronics. Can you accommodate? No, it's not possible. Okay, I'm a student. Maybe they're Apple fan. Someone may be LG, or someone may be other brand. So we have to have those things in the store. And they profited first time 35%. I don't know, very high. And Netflix. In the Netflix, they are digging your data, your behavior. What movie you are watching? What is the psychology? Be careful what you are doing on the internet. Business people hope you can dig your, suppose, okay, come on to the business people. So, target audience, you have to find a target audience. That is called, my wife was studying India, I'm ours, okay? And I was teaching her or helping her. One of the subjects was marketing, there was SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? Anyone knows? Okay, that's great. Amazon do the SWOT analysis. Alibaba don't do the SWOT analysis. They push anything in the cloud. So you have to do the SWOT analysis. You want to be entrepreneur, you have to know the technology. Nowadays, technology for everyone, not for the computer science. And why big data performance is according to Gartner. Do you know the Gartner? BMC? I know. You don't know. You have to know who is best, why he is best. Third party is certifying me. That is the company. So, what is the best in big data? Google was the best. Now, why is the best? Okay, big data and data science. It is divided by different parts, different analysis, visualization. What visualization? You have lots of results, lots of subjects, lots of department. You will go to your director or your management, all the paper, all the Excel sheet. That is not presentation. You have to learn it. When you are in the corporate culture, you have to have the presentation strength, how you present yourself. So, there's some tools. Not all the tools. Choose one. Very specific language. There's lots of language. There's distribution computing engine, distribution resource management, distribution storage management. These are the tools for the data scientist. Okay? I am talking data science combination of big data and artificial intelligence. So, again, you cannot have all this tool in your campus. You should have this thing from consume for 2 hours or 3 hours, consume it. Leave the server. So, there is no, I told you, 4 years, business people know. There is no product evaluation. What is that called? I was lost. Anyway. This is the architecture. What tools you will Hadoop is the big data tools. Kafka is for messaging, structure, HBase, all together data when you are compiling or you are cooking, you will get the output from the Jupyter and you present to your director. How you want to see your consumer student behaving in the campus. Okay, this is the presentation, the scientist, AI. Things I did after I quit the development and did last 5 years back. This is my choice because I want more time, not all the time. I don't want to encourage you. Someone told me, can you have a donation website? What I did, zero code, less code, there is a coding application. Drag and drop, your page is done. He said, I want to have translated in all the language. I Googled, I found Google Translator for any language. I put in the script and that is translated into any language. And I searched for the API for the PayPal. I connected that. The donation is done. It take me 1 day. It's a common sense, templates. So come to the base. Huawei has lots of templates. Video analyzing, face recognition, OCR, NLP, image recognition, image search, TTS, SR. So, optical character recognition. How can I say? If you want to punch your ID in your door, other than magnetic thing, sometimes it's read the text or the picture. That is the OCR. Cortana, Siri, Google Assistants. This is built with NLP. You have to learn this, all this algorithm. If you want to recycle, these are the templates. Build something for the country. Okay? Face recognition. I bought a Chinese so-called CC camera. That is built in AI. All these tools is there. It's costing 3,000 Taka. What is that? Fire recognition, alarm, and face recognition, motion detection. What is that? I said if my dad comes home, text me a message. It says me, Dad at home. Over here, there is some algorithm already there, but you can build your own or something, anything you want to do. If you want to buy this robotic dog, it will cost you $25,000. But you can program it with the modular, with this ROS, robotic operating system. It's built in there. You put the code and assemble it here. It will guard your body. Okay? You can do anything. 5 minutes. Okay, no problem. Let's come to the last point. This is, you can buy a Raspberry Pi. Okay? It's cost 1,300,000 Taka. And these are all the sensors. I bought it from the Amazon. All sensors. Connected there. My nephew learning what is called Python. And today I saw on some news. What is called Cambridge in Massachusetts. Someone got masters just for presenting 9 data set of Python project. He got the masters. So you can start from home, practically start from home. So this is the thing, you can build your own house. And these are the, write this down. Jackson, Raspberry Pi, Yahoo, predictive maintenance. And if someone in the garments checking the logo on your shirt, Bangladesh, Adidas or whatever logo is passing to the other country, and if the logo shape is not perfect, what happened? Product is cancelled.
The students who have this beautiful session for all of us. Okay, so give a big hand for the management of AI. So thank you, students. The second thanks goes to you. Basically, you have managed your time to come and sit here to understand a little bit about the Huawei cloud, definitely. But besides that, you might not attend today here as you have tasks, but you manage your time and come and participate. So I have a message for all of you. It's not related with the BBA students or the CSC or any other department students. It's a message for everyone that we are lucky that we arrange our time and we got the chance to sit in here to understand the cloud computing. So as myself, my name is Nishada and I'm serving Huawei Cloud Department. And so the same message for all of you, if you want to do good, whatever in this department, supply chain or any other department, human resource or anywhere. So in your organization, where you will join, you have to work or you have to adopt the technology first. Without it, you cannot differentiate yourself. So this is the core message for all my students, those who are participating here. So I wish you good luck, and it's a lovely campus. This is my first time. So I'm at the background of the Independent University Bangladesh student. So try to differentiate yourself, try to learn ICT, try to learn any kinds of knowledge that is related with the ICT that will be added value to your upcoming career. I trust. Thank you so much. Thanks for
Thank you very much, Mr. Shahjahan. So right now I'd like to call
College, Mr. Danny.
I would like to thank all the students, of course, for attending this class, for attending not the class, for attending this symposium. Thank you very much for attending. And of course, I would like to thank our dear faculty. Thank you for supporting us. Without you, then of course, definitely this thing will not going to happen. And of course, I would like to thank our guest from Huawei. Huawei is actually, I would like to thank Mr. M.D. Shahjahan Ahmed. Thank you for your introduction about Huawei. Our boss, Mr. Iftikhar Hassan. Lee. Thank you very much for joining us. So this is actually a very good thing so that you can have an idea what is Huawei. You always hear about Huawei, so there's a problem with Huawei. Huawei is actually number one infrastructure, IT infrastructure. Because I told you, other company they're big, but of course Huawei is now number one in the world in terms of IT infrastructure. They are now implementing what they call this word 5G. But there's always a problem in implementing new technology. You have to wipe out the old and you have to fix purposes and of course in your future business also. Because now Huawei can offer you a artificial intelligence. You know what's the meaning of artificial intelligence, right? So you can now implement artificial intelligence to improve your company and to find out whether all your organization is working perfectly fine. They have smart city, they have smart campus, they have smart automation. So all of these smart things are there, but implementation is the challenge. How are we going to implement it? It's up to the company, up to the government, up to somebody else. So we would like to thank them for reaching us out, and we will be reaching them for the benefit of the campus, the university, and our students. And of course to all the faculty, I know you're not quite, I know this is quite a bit, what do you call this one, complicated in terms of the explanation regarding how the thing works in IoT and big data and this particular automation kind of a stuff. But still, the good thing about the student guys is for you to actually explore. That's what he said. The biggest risk is not taking the risk. So why don't you take a risk? It's Chinese, but still, we love everybody. No Chinese, no American, no nothing. Everyone is equal. Right? Right. Alright, thank you very much. I would like to also acknowledge our department and MIS, Professor Dr. Tabin Hassan, who actually allow us to make this happen.